this is Sherry for Just Nailed It, and this is a collaboration for ladies of YouTube for mental health awareness for the month of May. I did not look up statistics, I never do, especially for mental health awareness because I have anxiety, depression, and a slight touch of PTSD. I'm not too sure how I got that one, but I guess just from life. Just life. We're doing a all green marble manicure. I've done this nail, this one, and this one. Got these two left to do. On my pail, I have marbled these three Puty gel polishes. We've got 3 random numbers from 3 different collections. So you can check these out on Amazon. It's called Puty. P-E-W-E-T-E. Check those out on Amazon. Great company. It is the sister company of Umik, I believe it is, in the UK. So we're going to scoop this up. Oh shoot, no we're not. No we're not. We're going to put our blooming gel on first. And that's not it. That's not it. That's top coat. Which you could use, I guess, at a pinch. And a pinch. This isn't a pinch. So get your blooming gel on. Then scoop your gel out. Scoop your gel out. I kind of put mine diagonally. So we're gonna let that sit for just a hot minute. Keep an eye on it. Let me put this on the other nail. See if we can do this all at the same time. Maybe. Maybe. Definitely put this one in the lamp. 60. This one is set for just a little bit longer. This one needs to spread just a tad bit more. Just a little bit. Statistics. Mental health awareness in 2023 probably hits almost every single household today. That's not in the books, that's just my opinion, because of everyone that I know it seems to hit. Hits everyone pretty hard these days. Like I said, I did not look up statistics, and that is my bad. This is just coming from my heart. Almost everybody I know has some form of mental health or another. I know a lot of girls are going to look up some statistics and they're going to have it in this, you know, my bad for not doing so. And I'm really sorry. I'm really sorry for not doing that. No, I didn't. It's just, I don't know. I just said I'm very sorry. Does not make for a very good video, does it? I guess probably because of what I do have with the anxiety, the depression, and the PTSD, I don't want to look it up. So this is my manicure. They have changed on cell phones, 988, if you need to get hold of anybody. 988. On Instagram, if you ever see my bubble lit, hit me up if you need somebody to talk to. Because it's lit up pretty much all the time. I don't sleep much. Now for our top coat. So if you ever need somebody to talk to, tap my bubble. So we got a top coat. I'm not putting no bling. No nothing, just the manicure for the green. For mental health awareness month for May. This is it. Just the green. Just to make you stop and go, right? So there's my manicure. Our digits are in the lamp. If you think you have some troubles, you need somebody to talk to, you are suffering, please reach out to somebody professionally, get some help. Get yourself put on some proper medication. And I know you don't want to be a guinea pig. You don't want to be tried on all these different medications. And honey, not the same thing's going to work for everybody. You do need to go through the process of trial and error, because not the same thing is going to work for everyone else. I had to go through it. I got family members that had to go through it. And it's hard. It's really hard, but it's trial and error. I had to go through it. I went through some, not really hard things, but like, you know, really put me on, I'm not going to name off medications, but some medications where I thought I was going to crawl out of my skin. And I immediately quit taking them. One medication, I woke up, urinated all over myself. Quit taking that immediately. There's a family member that thought they could have sworn they were drunk. Quit taking that immediately. They affect you differently. Some can make you lose weight, some can make you hyper, some just make you on an even keel. They put me on Abilify, which all that was a godsend. I'm still on that one today. I thought I was gonna, when they put me, I went to my psychiatrist. I said, you gotta do something, because I'm gonna end up in jail if you don't. And he thought I was bipolar, and I'm like, no, I'm pretty sure I'm not, but I'm starting to go through menopause. And I figured I did not want to be put on hormones, but something's going on, and it wasn't just the menopause, it was something else, you know, upstairs. It was a chemical imbalance, and that's what mental health awareness is with the, you know, the anxiety, the depression, and it could be the bipolar with some people, it could be this, could be that. It is a chemical imbalance in the brain. And technically, as far as on our end, there's nothing we can do to fix that. It has to do with medications that they can help provide for us. Chemical imbalance in the brain. We need medication. That's just all there is to it, folks. We need the help to balance this out. And Abilify is one of those medications that, oh my God, it was a godsend for me. A complete godsend. It balances me out. It keeps me at an even keel. I take it every night before, you know, I take it probably about 7:30 every night, that my anxiety medication. Yeah, that's what they put me on. And like I say, it was a godsend. I'm on 10 milligrams. They bump it up sometimes, they take it down. Because one of the side effects for me is craving sweets, and that's one thing I don't need because I'm a chocoholic. And that's something that's dangerous to me, because I'm also a type 2 diabetic. Just craving sweets is not something I need. But that's a different story. Different video, different time. But please, if you have mental health issues, please seek help. If you are, how do I word this, bad enough that you feel that you may hurt yourself or someone else, please reach out. 988 There are many treatment centers out there. There are many professional people out there who can help you. Reach out to a friend, a family member, or a professional. And I know I think this video, I hate to say it's going to bomb in that area because I didn't look up statistics, but I wanted to talk from my heart. I thought that would be better than a statistic. There's so many of us out there that on different levels, whether if it's, slight depression and anxiety. You could have, God, what's it called? Schizophrenia, severe bipolar, manic depressive. There's so many levels out there of different mental health issues. There's help out there for us. There's help. We don't have to suffer in silence. So reach out, please, I beg of you. To help yourself, to save yourself so you can have a life. A normal, productive life. What can be normal for us? So for that, I ask you, reach out, get some help for yourself. Give yourself a future that you deserve. And remember, my bubble is always lit.